Hey there everyone, welcome back to Arts Authority. Today we will discuss about the topic why do ants die when the queen ants dies. In this video we will discuss about the topic in detail. When the queen ant dies, it has significant consequences for the colony as a whole. The queen ant is responsible for reproduction and laying eggs, ensuring the survival and growth of the ant population. Her death disrupts the reproductive cycle and the production of new ants, leading to a gradual decline in the colony's member. The queen ant is the only fertile female in the colony and is solely responsible for egg laying. In species like the pharaoh ant, the queen's death triggers aggression and territorial disputes among the remaining ants. The queen releases pheromones that maintain the unity and social structure of the colony. Worker ants rely on the queen's pheromones to guide their behavior and tasks within the colony. Without the queen's presence, the worker ants may become disoriented and lose their sense of direction. The queen regulates food distribution within the colony, and her death may disrupt the process. Queen ants typically have longer lifespans compared to worker ants, which are short-lived. The queen ant ensures genetic diversity within the colony by mating with multiple males. The queen's death halts the fertilization process, leading to a decline in the production of new ants. Without the queen, the colony loses its ability to produce future generations. As the worker ants age and die, there are no new ants to replace them. Different ants within the colony have specialized tasks, and the loss of the queen disrupts this division of labor. The queen's pheromones stimulate the reproductive organs of the worker ants, which cease functioning without her. The queen ant is central to maintain the hierarchical structure of the colony. Worker ants have evolved to rely on the guidance and reproductive capabilities of the queen for survival. With no new ants being produced, the colony population steadily decreases. Weakened and declining colonies become vulnerable to attacks from neighboring ant colonies. Without a queen to establish new colonies, the ant population cannot expand beyond the existing one. In conclusion, we can say that the death of a queen ant has significant repercussions for the entire ant colony. As the sole reproductive individual, the queen's demise disrupts the colony reproduction cycle, pheromone production, genetic diversity, and social structure. The absence of new workers, the loss of guidance, and the decline in the population gradually weakens the colony, making it susceptible to competition and ultimately hindering its ability to establish new colonies. The interdependence between the queen and the worker ants highlights the crucial role of queen in the survival and growth of the ant colony. Thanks for watching the video.